Yes, ma'am.
Can we lock it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so in contract law, the class, we did, what do you mean by a contract? We did, it's an agreement between two parties. We had done different types of contract. We did,
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
yeah, that we need to, I told you, internet issues. Okay, so contingent contract we did. Yes, quasi contract we did. Now we do the Indian Companies Act. Indian Companies Act. Who is the SEBI? The SEBI CEO. Come on the screen, please. When I'm calling out the name, you ought to be on the screen. Otherwise, you don't be ready. Those who are ready to appear on the screen will only be the CEO. Yeah, now come on, start reading the screen.
General meeting of shareholders AGM and extraordinary meetings, board of
Yeah.
directors,
First,
constitution and
did you introduce yourself to the class?
yes. Hi, I'm Natasha Sharma. I'm
Yeah.
SEBI. I'm a CEO of SEBI.
Yes, chairperson. She's Natasha is going to be the chairperson, and I want the registrar on screen, please. I want the registrar on screen. I want the registrar on screen.
Ma'am, can I be the registrar, Judge Joshi?
Yeah, okay. Josh is the registrar. Morning, somebody had got ready. Who's that? Some girl had given the name. Okay, fine. We'll continue. So this is the Indian Companies Act. Josh, just read out on the screen what you can see. Just read out on the screen what you can see.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
My name is Judge Joshi, and general
Yeah.
meeting of shareholders, AGM, and extraordinary meetings.
Yes. Yes. Next one. So many things
Board
there.
of okay, I'll continue, ma'am. Board of directors constitute
Yeah. Constitution and composition.
and full-time directors.
Yeah.
Key
We have,
managerial personnel,
yes.
directors, role and legal position, team leader.
Yeah. So director
Liquidity.
is the team leader.
Yes,
His
ma'am.
role and position is important. The registrar is speaking over here. These are the important topics the class has to know. Yeah. Josh, come on, speak next.
Liquidation of company, winding
Yeah.
up of companies.
Yeah. So now, class, registrar of company is the main important personality under the Indian company law. If a company owner, I want a company owner in the class. I want a company owner in the class. Come on fast, a company
Ma'am,
owner.
may I?
Yeah, come on the screen, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what's your name? Please fast.
Good afternoon, all of you. My name is Neha Nagar.
What's your name?
Neha Nagar.
Okay, Neha is, the Reliance. She is the owner of Reliance Infrastructure. She wants to form a company and she is going to put up the papers with the registrar of companies. And the registrar of company for your class is Jas Joshi. And yes, Neha wants the incorporation certificate. Unless and until Neha gets the certificate of incorporation, she cannot form the company. Okay, so now Josh needs some important papers, and those papers are: number one, the class has to write down memorandum of association, articles of association, the prospectus, the statement in lieu of prospectus. So all these are the important documents that Neha has to present in front of the registrar. Okay, class? Can you see the registrar in the class? All of you? Yes, all of you. Can you see our
Yes,
registrar?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, can you see the company owner who is wanting the certificate of incorporation? Class?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. And now can you see Natasha, the SEBI owner, the SEBI CEO? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yeah,
This is the Indian Companies Act. Okay. This is the Indian Companies Act. 3 important personalities we have today. Now continuously till the SEBI chapter gets over, this will be our 3 important personalities. Okay. Where is the other one?
Okay, ma'am.
Where's the other one gone? The company owner? Natasha, SEBI
Ma'am,
owner?
here.
SEBI chairperson.
Chairman.
Okay, so once the registrar is satisfied with the object of the company, in the memorandum of association there is an object clause, and this object was she wants to run the metro from Warsaw to Ghatkopar. Okay, her intention was to start the metro from Warsaw to Ghatkopar. So she's forming a company, Reliance Infrastructure. So she wants the certificate of incorporation, and she's applying, she's showing the memorandum of association, she's putting up the articles of association, the prospectus, the statement in lieu of prospectus, and yes, statement by various professionals like auditors, like lawyers who are 10 years practicing as lawyers. They all will write the status of the company, the capital, and then once the registrar is happy, Jash Joshi, the registrar, will issue the seal. Okay, will give the seal of the company, that is Reliance Infrastructure. Now the company is born, right? The company is born. Now is Natasha and the company same? No. है ना?
No.
Natasha is
No,
Tina
ma'am.
Ambani. Natasha is Tina Ambani, right? Yes.
Yes,
And the
ma'am.
company is Reliance Infrastructure. Got all of you? All of you? Did you all get? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Kanika. So we having Tina Ambani over here. She is the owner of Reliance Infrastructure, but it is separate from Reliance Infrastructure. Okay, so we'll be seeing the features of a company, very, very important features. And yes, once the certificate of incorporation is given by Judge Joshi, the company becomes an independent person in the eyes of law. The company becomes an independent person in the eyes of law. So a very important
ma'am.
question for your exam is explain the features of a company. Explain the features of a company. So when you write about the features of a company, yes, that is I. Please write IPLCST. Please write IPLCST. IPLCST. I want the entire class to write. I for independent legal status. I for independent legal status. P for perpetual succession. P for perpetual succession. Just now we saw Ambani. What's her name? Natasha. No, Neha.
Ma'am,
Neha
Tina
is the owner,
Natasha.
right?
Neha.
Neha is the owner.
Yes, ma'am.
So Neha is the owner. Neha is different and her company is different. So if something happens to Neha, will Reliance Infrastructure stop? Will Reliance Infrastructure stop?
No, ma'am.
It will continue. It will
Ma'am, there is an
continue.
accounting principle also.
It is Judge Joshi has given the seal of the company, and the moment he gives the seal of the company, it's an independent person in the eyes of law. All of you understood? So just remember, in the exam you need to write I for independent legal status, P for perpetual succession. The company goes on and on. Tomorrow Neha won't be there. Next, after 10 years, her legal hair won't be there. And third, many, but the shareholders are the owners, and therefore the company goes on and on. So that's called perpetual succession. Yes, limited liability clause. When a company is formed, the liability of each shareholder is limited. The liability of each shareholder is limited. So IPL, I for Josh. I for
Independent legal
Independent legal.
Dependent legal status, ma'am.
when you're the registrar, you have to be alert. I for
Independent legal status.
P for
Perpetual succession.
L for.
Limited liability.
Now, as a registrar, you explain Reliance
Ma'am,
Infrastructure.
Yeah. So the Reliance Infrastructure should be an independent legal status.
Should be
Is a legal independent legal status, that is the company has its own status, and the
Yes.
owner and company are not the same.
Yes, yes. So limited liability and common seal. Have you given the seal for the rights of a seal for the company? Yes. So the company has a seal, Reliance
Yes.
Infrastructure Limited, can sue and be sued. So who can sue the company? Me, the public, can sue the company. You, the registrar, can sue the company. SEBI. Where is the SEBI chairperson gone? Where is the SEBI
Yes,
chairperson
ma'am,
gone?
I'm here.
So the SEBI can file a suit against the company. So what is C for? C for can sue and be sued.
Can
And
sue and be
Be
sued.
sued.
I want the entire class. 30 will be called out now in another 10 minutes. Can sue and be sued and separate property. So we see the metro. When you go to the metro Warsaw, you will see so many properties which belong to the metro, Reliance Metro. Does it belong to our Neha? Does it belong to our Neha?
No, ma'am.
Does it belong
No,
to the
ma'am.
owner?
No, ma'am.
Does it
No,
belong
ma'am.
to
ma'am.
No. So what is the next one?
ma'am.
The separate property concept. Okay.
Separate
Separate
property.
property.
The property of the company is separate. It's not the Ambani's car, it's the shareholders' car. Okay? It's the shareholders' property. And next is transferability and transmission of shares. So tomorrow, if she is in trouble, she can sell the shares. Anybody, any shareholder, we call it open market operations. We call it OMOs. What do we call in banking law? Finance law, we call it as OMOs, that is open market operations. Anybody can sell the shares of Reliance in open market,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
So that is transfer of
Yes.
shares, transferability of shares, and yes, transmission of shares. Transmission matlab if a shareholder expires, if a shareholder dies, his legal heir's name, the registrar of companies will be noting down. Okay? If someone has 30 lakhs worth of shares and that particular shareholder expired, so transmission of share takes place. Got me? So
Yes.
transmission of shares.
Yes.
So yes, so SEBI,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
what's your name? Natasha.
Yes, ma'am.
Natasha, just in brief, tell us features of a company fast.
Ma'am, CST. C can stands
Please.
Okay, IPLCST, I for independent legal status, P for
Independent
perpetual
legal-
succession.
Independent legal status.
Yeah,
P
anybody
stands
P
for
for perpetual
perpetual
succession, L
succession.
for limited liability, C for
Yes.
common seal,
Yes.
and C for
And be
can
sued.
sue and be sued.
Yeah,
S for
can
separate
sue and be
property.
sued. Means the case can be filed against Reliance. No?
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
the case
And
be
S for
filed
separate.
in her name? Will it be
No,
Neha
ma'am.
Nagar? The name in the
No,
court?
no, no.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Company.
No, ma'am.
Company's name.
Company.
Reliance.
है ना? It will be Reliance Infrastructure, right?
And
Yes.
T for transfer.
Krishna or the defendant will be Neha's name or the company name? The company name.
Company. Company.
Company
Hello?
name.
So
Yes, ma'am.
in the court, in the Supreme Court, is Subrato Roy's name appearing or Sahara Group appearing?
Sahara Group.
Sahara Group.
Sahara versus Union of India. है ना? Sahara versus SEBI or SEBI versus Sahara. Right? Is it coming as SEBI versus Subrato Roy? No.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So these are the independent legal status of a company. Got me, all of you? Fine. It's a very, very
Yes.
important question for your exam. The features of a company. The feature of a company. In the same way, we having types of companies. Before we go to the type of companies, I'll be just explaining to you. As we have the independent legal status, we also have the disadvantages of, these are the advantages of being a company. We having the disadvantage of being a company. The disadvantage is lifting the corporate veil. Okay, so you can expect a question on disadvantage of being a company. Now, when Judge Joshi is giving the authority of for being a legal personality, at the same time, the court, the judge, can lift the corporate veil and remove the independent legal status. Okay, so why do we see
Okay, ma'am.
Subrato Roy arrested? Why do we see Subrato Roy arrested? Because the court lifted the corporate veil. Okay, the court lifted the corporate veil. Fine. And who is beyond the crimes? Can a company commit a crime? Can a company commit
No,
a crime?
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Owner.
Some person.
No, ma'am. Owner committed a crime.
Yeah, that particular person who is in charge, who is the CEO, his name will be called out and he will be arrested. Okay, that's called the disadvantage of being a company. Got me? That's called, in the exam,
Yes,
it can
ma'am.
come. What do you mean by lifting the corporate veil? It's just parda uthana. Okay, the court lifts the veil of the company, and the particular person who is responsible for the ultra wire transactions are responsible for their act which was prejudicial and affecting public interest. Okay, all of you? Yes. So this was the introduction
Yes,
of the Companies Act. Yes, ultra wire. Why is Subrato Roy arrested? Because he did some acts which is beyond the power. है ना? Registrar is keeping a note on what's happening because it is the people's money he has taken. Who is the shareholder? Who is the shareholder? People, the general people of India.
People, public.
10 lakh, 20 lakh, 50 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh people have invested. So whose money is gone? Whose money is gone?
General
Public.
people.
No,
Yes.
Public
public.
money.
So the registrar will take an action. The SEBI will take an action. Right? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Enforcement Directorate will arrest. Who was the Enforcement Directorate in our class? Who was the ED officer in our class? Who was the ED officer in our class? Can someone be the ED officer, Enforcement Directorate? Foreign exchange violation. I want somebody who is a foreign exchange violation officer. Arey, yaar, this class is good. I want a guy. Nobody in the class is ready. Okay, next class, somebody be ready for ED officer. CBI, ED, DRI. This is the company law. Who is the ED officer, Enforcement Directorate? Okay, so ultra wires means beyond the power. So somebody who does beyond the power is arrested. Does SEBI arrest? Can SEBI arrest? Can SEBI arrest?
Ma'am.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Can SEBI
Yes, ma'am.
arrest?
SEBI can be
No.
arrested. Yes, ma'am.
SEBI
With the
cannot
help of
arrest.
police.
Yeah, that is the Enforcement Directorate. Okay, I want a guy in the class, ED. Anything which is done foreign exchange regulation against the FEMA laws, that particular personality is arrested. Money laundering. If a money laundering is being done by a company, almost all these companies, Sahara and all, have done money laundering. So I want 3 officers in the class next time. Okay? 3 officers I want, the ED, the DRI and the CBI. Then you will come to know the company law. Okay? So why do they arrest? Why do they arrest Subrato Roy? Yes, registrar. Why do they arrest Subrato Roy?
Prejudicial to the interest of the public.
Ultra wire transactions.
Ultra wires. Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
doctrine of
Power.
ultra wires. They own the power.
Yeah, so you can see the cases over there. Subrato Roy, King of all times, Kingfisher, right? Jet Airways, Jet Airways is also facing issue. You know? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Jet Airways has
Yes, ma'am.
given an application in the National Company Law Tribunal under insolvency laws. So we are having the insolvency law also, the insolvency bankruptcy law also. I'll be training you all. So ultra wire transactions they commit, and just to save the public money, they apply for insolvency proceedings. Okay, that they are not arrested. Fine. Otherwise, somebody is arresting them. These are the investigating officers. Okay. And the company law, we are having chapter 6, that is the investigating officers. The investigating officers are the CBI, the DRI, the ED. If any offenses are committed by the company, then yes, you're going to have a case filed. You know? You're going to have a case. Who's going to file the case? Either the SEBI will file the case or the registrar can file the case. So we'll see next time the important functions of a director of a company. That is, he is a team leader. He is a team leader. So I want a director of a company here. Come on, come in the screen fast. A director. The director of a company is a team leader. So T for trustee, he is a trustee. Melina.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Why
ma'am.
is your class like this?
Ma'am, there's a lot of connectivity issues, so we really can't hear you. So we are trying our level best to hear you. So maybe because of that, we are not able to really, get connected to
You
you.
be the director then.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. No, not an issue.
Here, why can't the other 70 here? I want a director for the class.
Ma'am.
Please tell your name.
Hello. I'm Jigar.
Jigar.
Jigar Mewada, ma'am.
Okay, Jigar, please appear on the screen. Yes, Jigar is our director for the class. Jigar is the director of the class, and he is having some legal responsibilities under the Company Act 2013. Jigar is the team leader. So just remember T for E for A for M for the class. Please write down T for trustee. Jigar is the trustee. E for employee. Jigar is the employee. A for agent. He is an agent of the company. And M for member. Jigar is a member because he is subscribed to the qualification shares. Okay. He is subscribed to the qualification shares and therefore he is a team leader. So next session onwards, we will be doing these important personalities. We'll be doing case law, Lee versus Lee. Yes, of course, Jigar has to be honest. He has to be earnest with skill and diligence. He has to motivate his team. Can he be Subrato Roy? Can he be Subrato Roy doing ultra wire transactions? Yes? No. So he cannot do ultra wire transactions. So A acts upon apparent authority means ultra wire transaction. So Jigar, who is the director of the company, should not do ultra wire transactions. Okay? Yes? So now let us start the question answer session. Jatin, share screen of the list of students, please. Share screen of the
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Share screen.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
All the 15 we are calling out the names will be appearing here. Or they will not be given marks. They will not be given marks. So we'll be just calling out the names.
Ma'am.
Yes, yes. Yes, Jatin.
Ma'am, I have actually, ma'am, I'm Jigar, ma'am.
Yeah.
Hello.
No, now let me start the question.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have.
Let me start the question answers now. Yeah. Justin James, please. Justin James. The CRs have to write down the names. Justin James on the screen. Kajal. Kajal.
Yes, ma'am. Coming.
How and Kajal Butra both.
Kajal Bacha, ma'am.
Yeah, I can see your name.
Okay.
Kanika, last time she spoke, right? Kapil Shivlani. Kapil Shivlani.
Yes, ma'am.
Kavish Chaudhary.
Yes, ma'am. I'm there.
Kavish Chaudhary.
Yes,
Come on,
ma'am.
come on the screen properly, Jatin. Jigar Mewada.
Yes, ma'am.
I want
My screen is started.
just bring it down. Kinjal Patel. Khushbu Shah. I want Sojitra. I want Kritika Chordia. I want Kritika Chordia. Your marks are going to be calculated here. I want
Yes,
Muddassar.
ma'am.
I want Mugda Karkare. I want Mugda Karkare. I want Kusum Shetty. I want Kusum Shetty.
Yes, ma'am.
I want Navya Bubna. Navya, you came last time. Navya Bubna.
Ma'am, I was there last time. I gave the answer of edge.
Okay, okay.
Even I was there last time.
Ma'am, even I gave the answer last time.
Okay, okay. So just those whose name are there can just move out. Neha Sarupur, what is that? Saruparia. Neha Saruparia.
Yes, ma'am.
Nikhil Sharma.
Yes,
Nishchay,
ma'am.
sorry, Nishchay, I don't want. Nishchay Naidu, I don't want. Nishant Shetty. Nishant Shetty. Nikita
Yes, ma'am.
Panchal. Nikita Panchal.
Yes, ma'am.
Nishit Kotari. 15 हुआ क्या? 15 हुआ? CR 15 हुआ? What are the CRs
Yes,
doing?
ma'am.
Naomi
Yes, ma'am.
Srivastava. Naomi Srivastava.
Ma'am.
Naveen
Yes, ma'am.
Bansali. Naveen Bansali.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on now. CRs and the observers be ready now. CRs and the observers be ready. If they are not answering, you all have to be ready.
Yes,
Can I
ma'am.
start the question? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah, now the screen can be this. I want everybody. I want all the 15 on the screen. Yes.
Who was speaking last week, they also have to appear on screen.
What is that?
Who all are speaking in last class, they also have to appear on screen right now.
Yes. No, no, they don't have to.
Okay, ma'am. Because you called my name, that's why I'm asking.
No.
Ma'am, even me.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, even you called my name and last time I had answered.
Okay,
Yes,
anyway, now let
okay.
it be. Next time onwards, we'll see to it. Your name is not called. We'll cancel it. Okay. From next time, we'll cancel it. Okay. Now the observers be ready. If they are not answering, you have to answer. Okay. Today we had done on the topic on the clauses, the employment clause. I want one of you. Yes, I want one of you to speak on obligation clause. Kritika, can you speak on obligation clause?
Obligation.
Yeah. I'm entering your marks here.
Yes, ma'am.
Any one of you can start if she is not answering.
Can I speak?
Yeah.
Ma'am, love me.
Ma'am Kajol.
Yeah.
Ma'am, obligation clause is a predetermined amount of money to be paid
Kritika, you
as
will
a...
be repeating it, huh? Kritika, you will be repeating it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, obligation clause is a predetermined amount of money to be paid as damages if there is a failure to perform a contract.
Yeah.
So it's a compensation to be paid if there is a breach of contract.
Yeah. Yes, yes.
For example, ma'am, you give the example of reconstruction, redevelopment. If suppose builder is unable to complete the contract, then he has to pay the compensation for the damages.
Yes, yes. So Kritika, can you explain now? Kritika, what is
Ma'am,
obligation?
obligation
Yeah, I'm
clause
going to
is
mark you out of 10. If you do this, you'll get 2 out of 10. Yeah.
Ma'am, obligation clause is predetermined.
Yeah. Predetermined.
Predetermined amount of money.
Yeah.
It is basically the damages that means of compensation for the breach of contract. An example is reconstruction. If the builder does not give on time, he has to pay.
Yeah. Yeah. So somebody in the indemnification clause, couple indemnification clause.
Ma'am, indemnification is the provision that is.
Yeah.
Hello, ma'am, am I audible?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. In indemnity, ma'am, one party promises to save the other party from loss caused by
Where is
him.
Muddassar? Where is Muddassar?
Ma'am, he is not well.
Muddassar, just put 0 for him. Last time also he didn't come. Yeah, next time. Last time also he did not give an answer, Muddassar. Yeah. Come on, speak.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, indemnification clause is a provision that is allocated to the risk and in the event of a breach, default, or misconduct by any party. Like we can take example of that last time you gave of LIC.
Yeah.
That one party promises to save the other party from the loss caused by him in the contract they have written that, or promise it by himself.
Yeah.
Many insurance companies are there. We can take example of them as an indemnity.
Yeah. Next one. Can you explain to me force major? The force major clause.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you explain the force major clause?
Ma'am, it is act of God.
Ma'am, it is the act of God.
Act of God, ma'am.
Yeah, what is that?
Ma'am, for example, the COVID situation right now that is going on.
Please speak out. Please speak out.
I'm the
Any contingent activities, ma'am.
Please speak out fast.
Ma'am, force major is a
force major that someone is
It's
taking
basically the act of
Kajal, why are you quiet? What is force major, Kajal?
It's like act. You told that it's act of God, and it's like clause is like impossibility.
What is Section 56 of Indian Contract Act? What is
frustration of contract?
What it is?
It's for frustration of contract.
Yes.
Section 56 is frustration of contract.
Frustration of contract example is, ma'am, for example.
Kotari, can you explain act of God?
Ma'am, act of God is an unavoidable situation or thing when we cannot do anything and nothing is in our part that we cannot do we can do to complete the contract or something. It is completely out of our hands. That is act of God or something like that.
Ma'am, it is also the extra.
We got the example of when contractor couldn't complete the building house. You have to do there comes the picture of quantum Marriott. Jitna kaam hua hai, you have to pay for that amount. So so basically Section 56 is all about the frustration of contract, and act of God comes into picture. Even the corona situation and the example given in the first lecture was about quantum Marriott.
Yeah, quantum Marriott. So what is quantum Marriott? Kritika?
Quantum Marriott is,
ma'am, quantum Marriott is whatever work you have done, you have to pay for it.
So quantum means what?
It is basically it's a remuneration to be fixed as much work completed.
Quantum is quantity and merit is work.
And the merit is
basically the quantity.
Yeah, the quantity. And we did some clause today on the liquidated damages. Liquidated damages. So Jigar, can you speak what is liquidated damage? Jigar?
What, ma'am?
Liquidated damage?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. It is a predetermined. It is a pre-estimated.
Jigar.
And it is a ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yeah.
Am I audible?
Yeah.
Hello. Specified predetermined amount of. Hello, ma'am. As per section, it is covered under section 74. It is a specified predetermined amount of money and damages which is paid if there is a failure to perform a contract. The amount can be estimated by the employee. And for example, there is a compensation for a breach of contract in case of there is a breach. Example is 5 lakh or 20 lakh to be paid for if the
So that's a liquidated damage. So last time we had done anticipatory breach of contract. So what is anticipatory breach of contract? Now, what is anticipatory breach of contract? What is
Yes, ma'am.
anticipatory breach of contract? now?
So basically, when in the last lecture, Ritu Kumar could not complete the rest. So she had to inform them first, Ritika and Ranveer. And then she handed over the deal to Sabyasachi.
Yes.
It's basically breach
And
of
what was that
contract
called?
before
What was the new contract? Naomi, what was the new
Time
contract?
is the essence of contract.
Sabyasachi will do the contract.
Yeah.
Novation of contract and new party came in,
Novation of
new
contract.
time. So can somebody of you explain time as an
Yes.
essence, Meet? Meet, can you explain time as an essence? Time as an
Yes,
essence
sir.
of contract, section 55 of the Indian Contract Act. Yes?
Ritu Kumar was
Section
unable
55.
to. Ritu Kumar was unable to fulfill the contract on time.
Very good, very good. Yeah.
So that was an time as an essence of contract.
Yes.
The
So
breach
how
of
will you
contract
explain
just
it
before
if this
the
question
completion
comes
of,
for your exam?
contract.
Meet. When a time is stipulated and one of the party to a contract is not in a, it's not possible to perform that part of the promise. Meet, come on, explain what is time as an essence. Meet.
Hello, ma'am.
Okay, by the time Nishant, you explain time as an essence. Meet, why are you going up? I'll give zero. I'll give zero.
Ma'am, my name was not called, ma'am.
Ma'am, Ritu Kumar was unable to fulfill the contract with Deepika of our making dress of Lehenga.
Yes.
So the
It's going to
contract
be a
was
group discussion. You're going to get extra marks.
so
Yeah.
the contract was passed on to Sabyasachi.
Yes,
Ma'am,
very good.
Ma'am,
Very
can I
good.
continue?
Yeah. Continue.
Ma'am, the time as an essence of contract is the date of the final delivery was 31st.
Yes.
And on 26th, there was an anticipatory breach of contract. So
Anticipatory bail is different. Anticipatory bail is different. Anticipatory
No,
breach is
anticipatory breach of contract
contract.
by the designer saying that she cannot complete by 31st. So here
Yes,
the time
very
was
good.
the essence of the contract.
What is section 56? What is section 56?
Frustration of
contract.
So Mugda, can you speak what is section 56, Mugda?
Yes, ma'am.
Mugda, speak now. Impossibility to perform.
Ma'am, it is the impossibility to perform within a prescribed time.
Yes.
No,
Act
ma'am.
of God, force major. Today we did na force major.
Impossible to perform.
Yeah.
Impossible to perform part of contract due to uncertain situation, ma'am.
Yeah, uncertain situation. You know, it's not in our hands.
Yes,
Right
ma'am,
now, what's
unavoidable
happening?
circumstances.
Right now, what's happening? Your contract with your institute.
COVID-19.
Yes.
COVID-19.
You
COVID-19,
can't meet
ma'am.
us in the campus. Can you meet me in the campus? Can you meet me in the campus?
No, ma'am, we can't.
Yeah. So, can you have the library facility?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
It's
Can
not
you
legal,
have
ma'am.
the gym facility? No.
No.
Right? So what has happened? Your contract has got frustrated. There was a contract, no, when you signed, when you took an admission, right? So impossibility, right? So any contract gets frustrated due to some uncertain events. If a party goes to the court, they will fail. They will fail. They will not get any action because this is impossibility under section 56 of the Indian Contract Act. Okay, all of you? Yes? Now come on, the next 15
Yes,
minutes.
ma'am.
Please. Thank you so much, all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay,
Welcome,
the
ma'am.
next one. The next
Bye, ma'am.
one, please come on. Bye. The next one, please come on screen. The next 15, Jatin. I want the next 15 on screen. Jatin. Yes, Jatin. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I've shared the screen, ma'am.
Yeah, Neha Morewar. Neha Morewar. Neva Badgujar. Neha Badgujar. Panchal Nikita. Nikita Panchal. Nilay Joglekar. Last time he came, no? Nilay came last time, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Nilay was asked last time.
Yes, ma'am.
So Nishant Vijay Kumar. Nimisha Kanvilkar. Nimisha Kanvilkar. You have
Ma'am,
to.
even I spoke last time. And I gave
Kanvilkar,
the
you spoke?
Yes, ma'am.
What did you speak on?
Hello? Ma'am, you asked me about quantum merit and you asked me what was covered in the previous lecture.
You had answered properly. Muzammil Motiwala.
Yes, ma'am.
I want Muzammil Motiwala.
Yes,
Muzammil,
Yes, ma'am.
come on screen fast. I'll give you 0.
I'm on screen.
Now you came. Manishwar Reddy. Naragudem Manishwar Reddy. Naragudem. Oh my God, it's going to be difficult for me. Naragudem Manishwar Reddy. First of all, I can't see you all personally. So Natasha Sharma.
Yes,
Jatin,
ma'am.
show me the next slides. Yes. Kiran
Ma'am, I
Malhotre.
answered in last class.
Okay, first you appear. Kriti Parekh. Kriti Parekh. Kriti Parekh.
Yes, ma'am. 1 second.
No, 1 second. You have to come immediately.
Ma'am, I came. It was just taking time to
Kajol
switch it over.
Butra. Kajol Butra.
Ma'am,
Then
just
I want Jigar Mewada. I want Joyce Augustine. I want Jigyasa. I want
Ma'am,
Justin
Jigar Mewada just spoke, ma'am.
Huh?
Jigar Mewada just spoke, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay.
even I spoke, ma'am, Kajol.
First, can't you
Ma'am,
come
even
on screen? I know. Now, Kushbu. From next time onwards, we'll cut off your names. Yeah. Where is Malya Khan? He's on leave over today. Come on, Jigar. This one. Please show me the last names. Jaini Rajawat.
Yes,
Jaini
ma'am.
Rajawat. Isha Chitalia. Hiral Mistry. 15 हुआ? 15. Come on fast. We need to summarize today's session. Arey, where is this Malina? 15 हुआ क्या? Jai Gandhi.
Yes, ma'am. 15 is done.
Okay. Okay, fine. All 15 on screen. You will not be marked. Yes. Please write down their names, okay? So today we are done the company law. Just introduce one of you, the features of a company.
So, ma'am, the features of the company
I
are...
meet this again, come.
Hello,
Okay.
ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
So, ma'am, my name is Isha Chitalia. So, the features are IPL, CC.
Where are the others not appearing on screen? They won't be marked here.
Okay, so the features are first one is an independent legal status. So apparently when the company is given a separate legal status, so it means that a company is a separate entity. Then there's perpetual succession. So there, if the owner or anybody dies, the company still continues. The company doesn't stop there.
Isha, you're going to get 9 out of 10. So speak loudly.
Okay, sorry, ma'am. Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay, so perpetual succession is even if someone or the owner or the CEO, anybody dies, still the company goes on. The company does not stop there. Then there's limited liability. So the members or the owners or everybody has a limited liability. It does not have an unlimited. Unlimited as in their personal assets would not come as in to pay off anything.
Where is
for the company.
Muzammil? I cannot see him.
Yes,
Muzammil.
ma'am. I'm on screen.
Muzammil, please tell me what is IPL CST. I told you the code.
Yes,
What are you
ma'am.
going to remember?
I is independent legal status, that is
Very
company
good.
independent
Very
legal
good.
status.
Yeah.
And next is perpetual succession. So it means if
Yes.
an owner of the company dies, the company keeps on going. And next is limited
Yes.
liability. So the liability of the shareholders of the company is limited. And
Yes.
next is C for common seal. So company has a common seal.
I cannot see the others on screen, please. They will not be marked.
And C for
Yes.
Can I say
can
C?
sue and can
Wait,
be
let
sued.
Muzammil speak. Let Muzammil speak,
Can
please.
sue and can be sued. So company.
Muzammil, can you speak loudly?
Yes, ma'am.
You have to get 9 out of 10.
Yes, ma'am. So can sue and can be sued. So company can sue any other party, and it can also be sued in case of a failure on obligation of contract. And
Yes.
S is it is a separate property.
Yeah, separate property.
So
What is the example I gave you? Separate property. What was the example I gave you?
Ma'am, the Reliance one, the property which is owned by Metro, they don't.
Please
The
treat
property
it as
doesn't
a
belong
separate
to.
Please treat as group discussion. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. I'm Nishant. So the Reliance, the property which is owned by Metro doesn't belong to the Reliance. I mean the Ambanis. It is on the name of Reliance.
Yeah. So
So
separate
that
property.
is separate.
है ना?
That is what separate property is.
Yeah.
Ma'am, they can be transferable.
Transferable and
transferability of
transmission
shares.
is the
And
shares
I
can be
told you if the
transferable.
shareholder expires, what is
Yeah,
that
and
called?
transmission is transmission, ma'am.
Yes, it's
If
called
a
transmission
shareholder.
of shares. है ना? We don't say transferability. In that case, we apply for transmission of shares. Okay. The lawyers apply for transmission of shares. Okay. Yeah. Next one. Yes. What else we told about ultra wire transactions? What do you mean by ultra? What is wires?
Ma'am, it is a disadvantage of being a company. So in this case,
it's not a disadvantage.
Ultra is beyond
yes, ma'am, it is
power.
beyond power, ma'am. It comes under disadvantage of being a company.
Ultra means
So
beyond.
beyond power.
It is not a disadvantage, but a company shouldn't do ultra wire transactions.
Yes,
Beyond
yes,
power, they shouldn't do any transactions.
Yes.
Ma'am, it is an inability to pay debt.
Janie.
Yes, ma'am.
Janie, can you speak one reason why a director is held responsible?
Director is held responsible because he is the owner of the company. Company cannot do any transactions which are illegal. Only a director.
We told the disadvantage of being a company. What is that, Parda?
Lifting of corporate
Ma'am,
weight.
lifting the corporate bill.
Please remember, there's going to be a question for your exam. What do you mean by lifting the corporate bill? Okay.
Ma'am, directors represent the company. That's why they have this obligation.
Yeah. So we are told T for E for A for M for, right?
Yes,
What is T for? The director. Trustee. For employee.
For agent and M for member.
So the director is an agent of the company. The principal is the company, and the shareholders are the actual owners. So the directors are agents, right? Yes.
Ma'am, there is also Hema
Can somebody
of
say?
your name.
Can somebody say an employer-employee contract? Kruti.
Yes, ma'am.
Can
Hello.
you say the confidentiality clause, Kruti? Can you say the confidentiality clause?
Yes, ma'am. So when there are two or more firms which enter a contract, so basically then they have force jury, which means an impossibility act under section 56. It's an act of God. Then there is obligation that
Frustration of contract.
there is obligation, there is jurisdiction, there is dispute between the
What is the
resolution.
jurisdiction clause, Nishant?
Clause
Yes,
of
ma'am.
arbitration.
Ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am, jurisdiction is it is stated that where and which court the case would be presented if in case of
Very
breach of
good.
contract.
Very good.
So
In
that
case
is
of breach of
jurisdiction.
contract,
Yes,
can
ma'am.
where
appoint
the
an
case,
arbitrator.
which court the case
Which
will
court
be.
and where will it be presented?
Correct, correct. Joycey,
Yes, ma'am.
can you explain the termination clause? Can you explain the termination clause?
Yes, when there is a rental agreement, and if the person staying in the apartment has issues like they are
Speak
putting
loudly,
music
Joycey.
after.
Joycey,
Hello?
speak loud.
Hello, ma'am, can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah.
Suppose there is a rental agreement and the person who's staying in the rent puts music after 1 a.m. or
I want an employment and employee contract.
okay. Data privacy. Suppose an employer and employee. I'm an employee of a company, and when I move to a different company, I share the data of the previous company.
Yeah.
That comes under GDPR.
Muzammil, is she saying correct?
Ma'am, she's partially right.
Say the correct one.
So,
I asked you what question?
Yeah, termination clause, right? Yes,
What
ma'am.
is the termination
Ma'am, this is
clause?
Kriti here. I'd like to take this
So,
question. So, ma'am, it is a party's cause termination irrespective of the time. For example, you gave an example that Jatin is unable to perform, that Kuldeep has right to terminate the contract.
So, in employer-employee conduct of the
right, ma'am.
Conduct of that employee or some negligence, and that will relate to termination. So, what
Yes,
are the
ma'am.
important clauses? Can all of you speak? What are the important clauses?
Confidentiality.
Confidential clauses,
Obligation,
obligations,
clause,
clause, termination clause, jurisdiction, and dispute resolution clause.
And
Damages.
Yes, yes. So, what is liquidated damages?
Predetermined amount of money to be paid if there are any
predetermined amount of money. Can I thank you all of
Compensation for the breach of contract.
Compensation of the breach of contract.
Compensation for the
Yes.
breach.
It comes under section. Thank you all of you. Yes. Now, can I call the 10 observers online, please?
Okay.
Thank
Yes,
you. Can I call the 10
you, ma'am.
observers? The 10 observers
ma'am.
of the class. Yes, come on, start now. Come on, fast. Summarize the class now. Summarize properly. One by one, start summarizing. One by one, start summarizing.
So, ma'am, can I start?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just start fast.
Yeah. Letter of credit. Letter of credit is also a credit letter. It's a letter from a bank guaranteeing that the buyer's payment to a seller will be received on time and for correct amount. And if there is some certain event when buyer is unable to make payment.
So, class, she is speaking about the letter of credit, an important question for your exam. That's Muskan for you, right?
Jasma, ma'am.
Sorry, Jasma. Come on.
In
Please
a,
speak your name also, Jasma.
Yeah. For certain, even if a buyer is unable to make a payment, the purchase, the bank will give a guarantee that he will pay the full amount on behalf of the buyer. For example, I am the Canara Bank and Melina is a seller of the designer jeans and Jatin is a buyer. So if Jatin is unable to make the payment, so the bank will pay on behalf of them.
Yes, yes, correct. Now, next one, come on fast.
Hello, ma'am. My name is Nisha, and I'll speak about right of lien. So, what is right of lien? Right of lien is a part of is a claim on a part of others' property that arises because of unpaid debt. For example, if I take a loan from you of rupees 10 lakh, in place of that, I'll give my house paper to you for a lien. So. So you have a right to retain the house.
Yes.
If I don't pay the debt.
So here the class is speaking about the lien, L-E-I-N, which is an important question for your exam. We won't be coming back to this portion, so they are summarizing it for you. We won't be coming back. Yes. Lien,
Good evening, ma'am.
L-E-I-N.
Can I
That is right
speak
to
on
retain.
right of set off?
Yeah, right
Can
to
I
set
speak
off.
on right of
set off. Ma'am,
Yes.
it means the equitable right of a creditor to deduct a debt
That's Mr.
it's owned to
Kulkarni.
the debtor from the
Your
claim.
name
Ma'am,
is
I'm
Mr. Kulkarni.
yes, ma'am, I'm here.
No,
Who
ma'am,
is
Kavish.
speaking now?
Kuldeep
Kavish,
speaking,
Kavish.
ma'am. Okay, it's
Okay,
Kavish,
please tell
sorry.
your
Ma'am, I'm
name.
not speaking.
Kuldeep.
Sorry,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Speak your name.
Ma'am, Kavish Chaudhary.
Okay. Sorry. I need to
Set
know you
off
all
is
for big
an
time.
equitable rights of a creditor to deduct a debt it's owned to the debtor from a claim in has against the debtor arising from a separate transaction. For example, I am taking a loan from a bank, a house loan of rupees 30 lakh, and after 1 month I have taken an additional loan of a car which is amounting rupees 20 lakh, and after 6 months I have repaid the 30 lakh. So the bank has right of set off, and remaining amount I have to pay in EMI form.
Excellent. Yeah.
Thank you.
Next one.
Ma'am, Kuldeep Mehta.
Yeah.
So I would like to speak about important clauses in corporate and commercial agreement.
Corporate and commercial agreement.
Yeah.
A question for your exam can come in 10 marks. If I am setting the paper, I can ask you this question: draft a contract of corporate and commercial agreement. Yeah.
Yeah. So the first clause is confidentiality. When
Please speak
two or
loudly
more-
and your name,
Yeah.
please.
Yeah, my name is Kuldeep Mehta. So I would like to speak about important clauses in corporate and commercial agreements.
Yes.
So the first clause is confidentiality. When two or more firms enter into a contract, there will be a significant exchange of information in order for both sides to perform their task. For example, if I and Jatin are two parties and we came into an agreement, all the information that is provided by both used to each other regarding our business and operation should remain confidential.
Yeah.
And also they need to treat the terms and condition of this agreement confidentiality.
Yeah.
The second is very important clause is force majeure.
Yeah.
This clause should always be included in commercial contract as it can protect parties from circumstances that arises that are beyond anyone's control, such as earthquake or floods. So you giving the example of now we are going through this force majeure act of God. Nobody knew that this situation of COVID-19 pandemic will occur. We had entered into a contract with IBS for receiving campus training, library and computer facilities. But due to this
Faculty interaction also.
yeah. So but due to this
Well-known faculties you can't meet now.
Yeah.
Right? Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So, but due to
correct.
this situation, we are all in different parts of the country. So this is a force majeure and act of God. So teachers
Yes.
have to come up and train us via online.
Yes, it comes under section 56 of the Indian Contract Act.
Yeah. So the third clause is termination triggers. It is defined as the circumstances under which one or both parties may terminate the contract, irrespective of the time left under the agreement. For example, if Jatin is unable to perform, then I will have the right to terminate the contract.
Yes.
The next clause is jurisdiction. When the
What is
parties
that?
jurisdiction.
Yeah.
When the parties of a contract are located in more than one state or country, commercial contract should always specify the state that will have jurisdiction over the agreement. For example, if I am from Mumbai and Jatin from Delhi, and we specify Mumbai as the place for jurisdiction, and if any dispute arises,
the case of the court.
Case of the court. If any dispute arises, we will have to go to Mumbai High Court.
And in case we don't have to go to court, you will appoint somebody as an arbitrator.
Yeah. So the next clause is dispute resolution.
Dispute redressal. This comes under alternate dispute
resolution.
Rather than going to court, we can appoint a arbitrator. Both the parties will agree that I am the arbitrator. Okay.
Right, ma'am. Yeah.
Next one.
So the last clause is damages. Damages. So the liquidated damages will be included during breach of contract, which is usually a predetermined amount that will be owed if one party fails to perform.
Yes.
A court may also award other types of damages beyond that amount depending on the nature and impact of the breach. For example, I and Jatin are in a contract and we predetermine rupees 50,000 as the damages, and if Jatin fails to perform, then he will have to pay me rupees 50,000.
Yes. Correct, correct. Next one. Next one, can you, what is left now? Which clause is left? Termination, right? Yes. Yes, come on. Alina.
Yes, ma'am. Mine is
Your left.
indemnification clause. It's a clause between an employer and an employee, wherein the process is allocated between a risk and expenses in the event of a breach of a contract or a misconduct, wherein the cost is being pushed forth to a potential person. Like for example, you can take the insurance, wherein we try to, there is a risk, there's an expense involved in that, due to which the insurance company tries to push it forward for us. Instead of we paying it, the insurance company does it on our behalf. So we are trying to push the cost to a potential person.
Yes, so that is indemnification, right?
Yes,
that is indemnification. Yeah, next one.
Ma'am, I will summarize the employment contract.
Yeah.
I'm Muskan Bagadia. So, employment contract is a written document between the employer and the employee, which defines the rights and responsibilities of both the employer and employee. It is generally made for management and senior level employees who have access.
Speak loudly. A very important clause, the right and obligation clause.
It is generally made for management or senior level employees who are involved in business strategies and have access to sensitive information.
Yes, sensitive information. Please remember the class. Next week we are not going to take this law. Next week we are not going to take this law. The important clauses, because last year, I had asked the question on draft for Jatarve's code of conduct. Okay. So similar questions can be asked by any faculty. What are the clauses important in employer-employee relationship? Okay. Yes. Yeah.
So the terms of employment are responsibilities and benefits of a job agreed upon by the employer and the employee at the time of hiring.
Yes, at the time of hiring. Yes.
So some of the terms which can be included are job responsibilities, work hours, what will be the dress code, vacations, sick day leaves, starting salary. The employment contract should also specify exactly what actions can result in termination of a contract.
Yes.
Each employer should know which activities are mandatory for them and which actions can result in
very important. Because when you sign a contract, we are supposed to know the obligations, our duties, our liability, and if anything goes wrong, there is a clause of damages. There is a clause of damages, right? All of you? Yes. Yeah. One which is left now.
Yes, ma'am. I would. My name is Nikhil Kulkarni. I would like to take an example. Like in the contract, the three main things which are mentioned are first the duration of the contract, the second is place of work, and third is the duties and responsibilities which are to be performed. Suppose I am the employee and ma'am is the employer. So I have signed a contract that I will work for 2 years with ICICI Bank. Suppose after 1 year I say that I don't want to work with ICICI Bank, I would like to switch over. So ma'am can sue a case against me that you have signed a contract that you will work for 2 years.
You have signed a bond.
You have signed a bond that I will work for 2 years and now I am leaving it. So this will not happen. This will not happen. The second is the place of work.
Here I will like to give you an example of an IBS student only. Okay. IBS student, he worked for one of the prominent IT companies, and because his father was not well, he had to leave the company and come back from Pune. He came back to Mumbai to take care of his father, and when he asked for, when even the campus IBS asked for his experience certificate, they did not give him. They did not give him the experience certificate, saying that you breached the contract. Got me? Then we lawyers have to write the exact reason why he came. It was an unforeseeable circumstance. So at least what period of work he worked, at least the period of work, you know, maybe he worked for 7 months, maybe he worked for 8 months. So they have to give that experience certificate, right? They were saying, no, you have reached a bond period, so we are not going to give you the experience certificate. So even when he was invited for the, you know, campus recruitment, he faced an issue. He faced an issue because though it was one of the prominent IT companies, it was one of the prominent IT companies, they refused to give him. Okay. If he had the certificate, he would have gotten a nice job, right? Yes. So these are the complaints that we get pertaining to bonds. Yeah. Thank you, all of you. Anybody's left? Anybody's left?
Hello?
Melina, all is over. Everybody spoke summary.
Yes,
Nothing. Everybody spoke the summary.
Yes, ma'am. I guess someone is left, ma'am.
Hello?
Who's left? Come on, speak
Hello?
fast. Yeah.
Hello? Ma'am, am I
Yes.
audible? Yes, ma'am. My
Yes.
part was regarding the terms of employment, which is already been covered by Muskan.
No, you have to speak. Still, you have to
Okay,
speak
yes,
because you're
ma'am.
going to get 40 marks.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So
So
in
the
the end,
terms of
and
employment.
you're going to get 40 marks, so you have to speak. I don't want excuse. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So the terms of employment comes into the picture when the employer and employee, they both
What's your
decides
name?
the. Ma'am, Krina Sojitra.
Krina.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Krina.
Yes, so terms of employment comes into picture when employer and employee both agrees the responsibilities and the duties at the time of the job, at the time of
You're not
hiring.
supposed to read out.
No, ma'am, I'm not reading out.
Come on, Krina, speak confidently and loudly to the class.
Hello? Yes, ma'am. So the duties and responsibilities includes are the job responsibilities, work hours, sick leaves, maternity leaves, and the dress code to be followed.
Yes.
Then also one of the essential factor of terms of contract is the termination clause. So
Yes.
termination, so under this, employer and employee both have to follow certain obligations in order to complete the termination of employment. Certain clauses are such as the employee has to give an
That's my
amount
captain,
of.
Melina. Melina, can you conclude with your point?
Sure, ma'am.
Yeah, just conclude.
So
with
I
your
would like to, so I would like to conclude with the indemnification clause, which is basically an employer-employee contract. It's a process that allocates risk and expenses in the event of a breach, or it can be misconduct by one of the party. It is also called as the hold harmless provision, wherein you try to shift to a potential cost. For example, we can take up the insurance, wherein the insurance companies tries to cover up the loss which is being borne by us. So instead of we paying the money at that point of time, the insurance company takes over it and pays the money on our behalf. That's basically an indemnification clause.
Yeah, indemnification means stepping into the shoes of another. You know, stepping into the shoes of another. Thank you, all of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Except for the captains. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, captains, you have written the name now of all those people who have not spoken. Yes.
Yes,
I think so.
ma'am.
One Mr. Muzammil did not come on.
Ma'am,
Muzammil came.
Mudassir was not there.
Mudassir. He did not come. He need to summarize next time.
Okay, ma'am.
Please write down his name. He has to summarize next time. From guys who did not come. From guys who did not come.
Ma'am, it was just Mudassir, ma'am.
Rest all spoke, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And those
Rest
who all
everyone
spoke today, no, we strike out their name for next time.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So the next time, out of the 70, other 30 will speak, na? Na?
Yes, ma'am.
30 will speak. And we observers, na, I will give the PPT of today's immediately to you all, okay? So that we can train ourselves in a better way. Hai na? Company
ma'am.
law, we will do it in a better way. It's very easy, you know, directors, team leader hai na? T for trustee, E for employee, A for, hai na? So
Yes,
just
ma'am.
when you as observers speak, na, we will just, I will maybe by tomorrow, day after tomorrow, just remind me. I'll give the PPT, and we will see to it that next week ka jo hai, company law is very, very important for you all. It is extremely important for you all in corporate law. Next semester also, the next semester you will be continuing with the corporate law. So unless and until this becomes proper for the class, they will be not having understanding the corporate law. Got me? Because
Yes,
next
ma'am.
semester we are having business ethics and corporate governance. Got me?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
corporate,
Yes, ma'am.
the major aspect is they have to do research on the good things that companies do. So now we are going to do the ultra-wire transactions, the doctrine of indoor management, the doctrine of constructive notice. Got me? So this today, whatever we do, today whatever we took, na, what is today's topic we took? Independent legal status, hai na? Independent legal status, right? Lifting the corporate veil, hai na? Lifting the corporate veil.
Yes,
Why
ma'am.
Subrata Roy was arrested.
Hmm.
So one of you, I will give some clippings.
Yes, ma'am.
I will show the video of Subrata Roy in jail. Okay, there is some, you know, double dosko animation. There is an animation video on Subrata in jail. So one of you can show that.
Okay,
Just
ma'am.
show the video.
Yeah,
Just
ma'am.
show the video so that they will understand the ultra wire transactions. Hai na? Right na?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
one of you only, can I make the ED and the DRI? That will be better, I think so. 10 message.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Hai na? One of the 10 among you only, I'll make the ED officer who is investigating the money laundering transactions and all. Hai na? So you will be in a better way to explain.
Okay, ma'am.
Hai na? Melina?
Yes, ma'am.
Melina? Because there is chapter 6 of the Indian Companies Act, that is investigation when there is ultra wire transactions. And who complains is the shareholders. The shareholders are complaining, the registrar complains, the SEBI finds it out. You know? So who can arrest? Only the investigating officers. Okay? So we will among this 10, 2 of you or 3 of you become the investigating officers. Fine? I will send the voice message how you have to speak.
Sure,
Fine?
ma'am.
Okay,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Have a nice day.
Bye.
Take care, ma'am. Bye.
Bye. Thank you so much for assisting me. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. We can close the meet.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Bye-bye.